Great question. If you ask your city, they're going to require a permit for everything. We've even heard of cities requiring a permit to change out a toilet. Not sure what they're inspecting or how they're going to inspect it, but that's how extreme like some of the cities are in regards to permitting. Yes, foundation repair is deemed as a voluntary fix, and they won't red tag your house 9 times out of 10 unless you're on a cliff and there's lives in danger. But typically it's seen as a fix that you want to do on your home, kind of like remodeling. So if you're going to get a permit for remodeling, you need to get a permit for foundation repair. Hope that helps to answer some of your questions in regards to the permitting process and the city's requirements.